World markets remained in sell-off regime on Friday, as depositor troubleshift shares in Asia, Europe and the US acrobatics. The standard S&P 500 code in the US slid more than rather than 1.7%, closed downward nearly 10% of its September top. The Dow Jones bring down 1.2%, time the Nasdaq slumped more than rather than 2%. The waterfall stretched losses over in the monthly, refueling concerns how mood is changing as investors person a expansion mix of risks. As of the 1 week, the Dow Jones and S&P 500 indexes include taking into account up the reach they located over in the year, time the Nasdaq is up just on 2%. On Friday, a U.S. trade division paper show much stronger than expected annual least increase of 3.5% in the tertiary block unsuccessful to roller trust, as analysts concentrated on weak in supply, habitation and industry invest. Frustrating quarter results of technology giants Amazon and Google owner Script as well spurred Friday's declines. On the S&P 500, Amazon, previous one of the marketplace's celebrity performers, was one of the largest losers. Shares in the retailer gigantic bring down more than rather than 7%, following the company prediction weaker turnover increase rather than anticipated for the forthcoming Yuletide time of year. October is characteristically a rough monthly for the markets, but the declines include done for one of the lowest months in several years. Analysts weight world increase to sluggish following year, especially in China. In the US, companies are cladding growing expenses due to labor shortages and trading tariff. In Europe, ambiguity above Brexit and Italian obligation has as well spurred trouble. On Friday, France's CAC 40 code bring down 1.3%, time the DAX slipped on 1%. In London, the FTSE 100 retreated, closed downward 0.9% at 6. Over, post Kong's Hover Sen code lose 1.1%, time Japan's Nikkei 225 bring down 0.4%.